Hey guys, wanna make your Google Drive file link public on your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial, and now let's get started. First off, open Google Drive on your device. It could be a website version or an app version. I'll just use the app version. And now make sure you are connected to the correct Google account. Now find the file with the shared link and tap the three dots right next to it. And now this will bring up this pop-up menu. Here, go to the Manage Access option, and now just click on the Restricted tab right here. Now just give it a tap again and set it for anyone with the link. Now, there is also a very cool feature when you can manage the rights of the recipient of the Google Drive link. You can go to the viewer and change the rights to the commenter or an editor, so the person will be able either to comment on the file inside the Google Drive or an editor, so the recipient will be able to edit the file, but I will remain as a viewer. So now when ready, just tap that copy link icon at the top right, exit the Google Drive app and open any messenger, for example WhatsApp, find the chat with the recipient of the Google Drive link and simply paste it inside the message field, and when ready, just click send right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.